the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door.
Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Vlogmas day. I have this argument with my daughter. She said it's Vlogmas. It's not Vlogmas. It's not Vlogmas. I know it's not mass, but because of my accent, that's what it sounds like, okay? So, happy Vlogmas at the 14. December 14, yes. Happy Vlogmas day 14, y'all. We are doing it. Anyways, I keep saying that because I'm just so proud of myself for being here still. So thank you so much if you've been subscribing to my channel, because you the one that's gonna build me up when I get to that 100,000 subscriber. And I'm thanking you guys for the YouTube play button that I receive. Okay, we're speaking all of this into existence. Anyways, this morning I'm running out. As you can see, I'm already in my car. I'm running out because your girl here got a nail appointment. No press on for Christmas. I have a nail appointment this morning, so I'm going to it right now, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, so we're gonna go get our nails done. Oh. Mind you, I still don't have a camera mount, so bear with me. I need to find one, but because this is a Jeep, the front of the windshield is kind of flatter, so I need to be cautious of what kind of mount I'm getting, because I don't want to buy one and then it doesn't fit, then I have to return it, and we all know I don't like to return anything. So yeah, so I'm on my way to get my nails done now, and then I'm gonna be cooking dinner tonight, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And then tomorrow I have to go to the kids school because they're having a show, and I'm volunteering to help them with hair and makeup for the little kids. So I'm excited for that. And I don't know if I can take you guys. No, I don't think I can take you guys, but I'm definitely trying to get ready because Christmas is coming. Anyways, you guys, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video, you guys. And I'll see you guys when I get there.
Don't wanna say goodbye, yeah. Want your skin on my skin. Just one last time.
Y'all, my nails is so freaking cute. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, I hope we can focus. Here you go. Oh my god, my nails is so freaking cute. I love it. It is so cute. I thought I wasn't gonna like this shape, but this shape make my hand look so cute. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. That's why they say you should always try something new. You never know. You never know what you might like. You never know. I'm actually very surprised that I love this. I know the nail look cute, but I didn't know it was gonna complement my fingers so much. So I am so glad, y'all. Now I'm gonna go straight home. Actually, I'm gonna see if hubby wants some lunch, but I want to go straight home because I need to cook today. I don't know what I'm cooking, but I need to cook. I need to cook today. I need to cook today. I need to cook today because yesterday I didn't cook. I don't have no food at the house, so I need to cook. So I'll see you guys when I get home.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof.
Hey y'all, I'm in the car again. So I got done eating my lunch. I'm actually in the car again because I don't know if you guys remember yesterday I was telling you guys I got a logo made for me, but really the logo was already made. Look at my hair. The logo was already made. I got some flyers made for me for the business. That's what I was waiting for. So now I'm in the car so I can go to the place and make some adjustment to the flyers, and then I look a hot mess, and then I'm gonna go, and then they're gonna take like I think 3 days or something like that, they said. Once I approve, once I like what I see, they're gonna print it out so I can start passing them out for the business. But I got some Amazon boxes, Amazon order. I actually ordered a couple of things. Don't mind my hair, y'all. I don't have a thing on my hair, but I ordered these things for my car. I got a car. We got a car, and it needed some storage. It didn't need it. Like, I wanted to add it because I saw it on YouTube, and I was like, oh, I can buy that to put in my car. Let me show you guys. So I have a Jeep this in the back. I have a Jeep, and let me show you guys where this goes. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. It's an organizer. You can put it in here. Look, it fits perfectly. You just drop it in here. And then you can look on the side. Let me show you guys this side. Yeah, that's perfect. So you just drop it in here. People can put their phone in there. I see one that you can put in here, but I don't really like it. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is perfect, because I can't even put my phone. Because what I usually do, I put my phone in the cup holder, and I was like, yeah, that's not gonna work out. Because when I do have my cup, I put my phone up here, and then whenever I turn, my phone keeps falling. So this is perfect. And other people who's charging their phone, the other day my daughter was trying to put her phone in here, and it fell through because she thought it was actually covered. So she have this right here, and I like the way it fits. It fits perfectly. You would think this thing come with the car, and I didn't even glue it yet. So that's that. And I have another thing. Let me open it for you. I have something else right here. So this is the other storage. It comes with these little liners in there. You can take them out to clean them. But let me show you guys where the storage goes. The storage goes in here. What I like about this is just the thing, but this goes on top of it. You see how perfect this fits? You can put change here. I can put my glasses here, and then like hand sanitizers and stuff. These, if it's a big thing, it can still go under, which is perfect, because it's not just something that you just drop in there. It actually come with you can still leave your stuff, like your big stuff, as storage under, and then it just sits on top of it. I don't know if they have them for every car, but you guys should definitely check. This is the hole for the USB, and you guys know every car come with the side hole right here. So you take it from here through here, and I think it was perfect. I was like, oh my god, I need this for my car. Honestly, I was looking for a place to put my glasses the other day. I couldn't find it, so I was like, this is gonna be perfect, especially when I'm out with the camera and I'm not going in with it. I can just place the camera right here. But this is perfect, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys. And I have another storage right here too, but usually people put change right here, and every time you pick it up, the change is making noise. Now you have like a perfect change storage on this side. Yeah, it's perfect. If any of you have a Jeep, you should look into getting these things on Amazon. They have so many things for Jeeps. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go to the place, and I'll check back in with you guys in a few.
Like you're a friend of mine. Screen lights up when you come online. You ain't looking for a savior. Yeah, you know what you feel. Show me all your good behavior. It's all very well now, it's all very good. It's fun to pretend, and we probably should. But when I get up, the lights come on. So long. All time good high, don't ask me why. Yeah, when I get up, the lights come on. So take a good look, oh, 'cause soon I'll be gone. Yeah, take a picture, baby, if you wanna last long. All time good high, feels good in my mind.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You 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 got me stone cold.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest.